New to driving? No worries. Available teen driver technology helps encourage better driving habits for new drivers by activating certain safety features when a teen driver designated key fob is in use and muting the radio until front seat occupants fasten their seatbelts. And with Buckle to Drive, the driver also gets reminded to buckle up before driving away. You can set up any vehicle key fob as the teen driver designated key fob. And when your teen or new driver is using that key fob, the teen driver features are activated. Here's how you can register the key fob as the teen driver key. While in park, go to the settings menu on your center display, tap Vehicle, and then Teen Driver. Next, create a 4-digit PIN. This will prevent the driver from changing the settings and deleting any data. Tap Set Up Keys, place the key fob you wish to register in the transmitter pocket, then tap OK or Add, depending on your center display. Once the setup is complete, you can configure various settings, like audio volume limit for the radio or streaming devices paired with the vehicle, speed warning, which you can set between 40 to 75 miles per hour. This will give the driver a warning on the Driver Information Center. Speed limiter, which sets an 85 miles per hour maximum speed limit on the vehicle. If your vehicle is equipped with the SiriusXM explicit content filter, your teen or new driver won't be able to listen to explicit content on the vehicle's SiriusXM radio. And Buckle to Drive, which prevents the driver from shifting out of park for 20 seconds after the brake pedal is pressed when the driver, and in some vehicles, the front passenger, has not buckled their seatbelt. This feature is not just for teens. It can be used by anyone. In some vehicles, Buckle to Drive is always on when teen driver is active, and it's not configurable. But some vehicles have Buckle to Drive as a standalone feature. In this case, you can turn it on or off in the settings menu of your center display. Want to know how your teen or new driver is handling the road? When the vehicle is parked, you can view the in-vehicle report card by signing into Teen Driver in the vehicle's settings menu using the PIN. Tap View Report Card from the Teen Driver menu. Then, depending on your vehicle, the report card will show the distance driven, maximum speed, and other relevant data. Certain active safety systems are always on when Teen Driver is in use. However, the gap setting for available adaptive cruise control and alert timing for forward collision alert cannot be changed. And if your vehicle is equipped with Super Cruise driver assistance technology, it won't be available when Teen Driver is active. With Teen Driver technology and Buckle to Drive, you can confidently let your teen or any driver take the wheel.